Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm not going to be here for long. I just wanted to pop in and tell you guys about a stock that I really like. I'll break this down for you at the end of the video in terms of why I really want to invest in this company. Right now, in terms of an overview of the market, you're dealing with a stock market that's pretty schizophrenic and a little bit chaotic. A lot of firms are warning against what they call bear market bull runs. These are basically scenarios where you really got a bear market, but you get a little bit of a bull market to make you think that you're not in a bear market. Kind of like a bad relationship that's generally headed downhill, but every now and then you have your good days and you think everything's going to work out, but then you find out that you really that you really need to go ahead and break up. Well, the stock market is dealing with some really tough circumstances right now. You're dealing with the loss of significant factors that were pushing the market forward. You had a lot of Fed support. You had a lot of stay-at-home spending that was driving the market. You had a lot of factors that were really pushing stock prices up, to some extent even artificially boosting them. A lot of that is gone. A lot of that is over. That's done. Get that out of your head. The good days, the happy days are not here now. I don't know when they're going to come back, because right now you now have a government that's $30 trillion in debt, largely because of a lot of irresponsible behavior on the part of the Fed and the federal government over the last, say, 5 to 10 years. However, you're going to see some light at the end of the tunnel. You're going to see some good investment opportunities. And so what I want to do is just share with you real quick a couple of things you may want to keep in mind. And then at the end, I'll give you a stock that I really, really like. So here's the deal. If you are a 3 to 5 year investor, at least, preferably 5 to 10 years, you have nothing to worry about. You can jump in, pick some good stocks. I can help you find some good stocks that you like, or I'll share the stocks that I'm picking, and then you can kind of just own them, sit on them, and just wait for the market to get better. Crypto is going crazy right now. It's a complete mess. A lot of cryptos. I think it was called UST. There was a new crypto that was supposed to be pegged to the dollar. It wasn't pegged to the dollar. And I knew that was going to happen. It totally crashed. It went down from $1 to 9 cents, even though it was supposed to be pegged to the dollar. And they did all these emergency measures to to save the crypto, because in theory, everything sounds good. But like Mike Tyson used to say, everybody's got a plan until they get punched in the mouth. So crypto got punched in the mouth, and a lot of these cryptos are just falling over like dominoes. So be real careful about investing in crypto. I do think there's long-term potential there, but you got to keep your head above water. Be careful about messing with the low-level cryptos. Now, the stock that I like, here's a stock that I really like right now. I just bought some of this stock, and I'm going to share it with you. Micron Technologies. Micron Technologies is a stock. The ticker symbol is MU, if I'm not mistaken. Micron is a company that looks like they have a great future. Micron is a company that looks like they have great management. Micron, it looks like a company that is going to do well short-term and long-term. When the economy does start to recover a little bit, or when there is a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel, this too shall pass. I believe Micron's going to be one of those high flyers, and it's already done pretty well. If you'd owned Micron Technologies over the last 5 years, you would have made an ROI of about 150% on your investment. That's a pretty good return for a 5-year period. So Micron is a stock that I really like. If you want to know more about other stocks that I like, other stocks that I pick stocks for my students every single week. So feel free to go to boycewatkins.com. You can do a free trial, a 30-day, 100% free trial in my stock market class. We meet every Tuesday. That's when you can talk to me directly, ask me questions. We can jump in and really do these deep dives in the market. I think that there's a lot of opportunity here, so I encourage you to take a look. And so anyway, guys, I'm out of here. Hit that thumbs up button. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Share, subscribe before you go. And again, if you want to learn more about what we have, I also put together a lecture series called An Economic Survival Plan, which has the rules of economic self-defense, the ways that you can use your money to protect you as opposed to allowing other people's money to harm you. This is the stuff I did research on. This is what my doctorate was on. This is what I taught my students at Syracuse University, the Ohio State University, etc. So I put all this stuff together for you, and I believe it's really going to help your family because it's simple enough that even a 10-year-old can understand. So feel free to go to boycewatkins.com and take a look at all of this stuff. So I hope this helps you. God bless you guys. Love you. I will chime back in a little bit later. Make sure you subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. Peace.